so raining. It's raining outside hard. Look at this. Listen. What does this place have done? Look. Look at everything. It's raining hard. Look at that roof right there. You can see. Right there on that shed right there. A bunch of water is getting. No, wait, it's not on that. On the top on that house right there. That White House right there. It's getting blown off a lot. Look, it's raining very hard. Look at this. Hardness. This is so wet. It's even flooding a second window right there. Oh. Just see that little blurry line right there? That's the water. It's getting so high. I have no idea. Look at this. It's all rainy. Super rainy. Very rainy. Watch out! What happened? Tell me, guys. Whatever happened, just tell me. Thunder. Thunder. So scared.